see that? Nine something million. Okay, I'm not the best with numbers. But that didn't happen overnight. So let me tell you how I got here. So welcome to the Nash House, cousin. I am a mom, a wife. I'm a mom to 4 beautiful children. We cook. It's how we started out with content. Then we started making music. And sometimes we make content with our dog named Tommy. Tommy of the Nash House. We go live and we do gaming and we love to talk about traveling. But all in together, we really love to help you build your platform on TikTok as an entrepreneur. Having to go through it myself and build this platform from the bottom up is what I have done for our whole family. Really leaving a legacy in entrepreneurship is not always easy. It is the harder route. Just know that I'm a mom who wants to stay at home with her children and be able to raise them. And in order to do that, I have to have some type of income to help my husband take care of us. Now, in the end, yes, content creation is entrepreneurship, and entrepreneurship is out of the box thinking. But if you want guidance and tools on how to do it and the things that I've already applied, make sure you hit that follow button and leave a comment and let me know how you started your entrepreneur journey too. I look forward to hearing from you, and I love you. Bye.